So and then there's when she was out of the council for 2 years, a company that she created in 2008, the Jericho Group, against the law. The council sued then Mayor James in 2005, saying that they should have the right to give contracts to different consultants. And she knew. She was on the council in 2005 when they lost that decision. But in 2008, she tried to lobby members of the council then to approve a $350,000 contract to the Jericho Group. She's got no experience as a developer. She's got no experience as a realtor, none of that. And the council finally decided that this was so bizarre and ridiculous that it was scheduled for a meeting in January 2009, and it never made the agenda. So there, time and time again, it is on the record, and you can see where this person abused her job as a steward of our, of our city's finance. And she ran as a fiscal conservative. And talk about the tens of thousands of dollars of meals. There are meals that she and her people had at the Green Street Cafe when it was still there, meals that they had at Chateau Spain, meals that they had at the Newark Club. And they'll try to say that these were meals for the public. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's true. And then there was a $4,000 trip to Florida for the Black Film Festival. And so you tell me what value that trip had when she went and she took members of her staff. And I believe that residents in the Central Ward have a right to know about this stuff.